Hi there guys, Jason here from Blackpool Honda. Hope you're all well. Today I'm going to be bringing you a small video walk round of this 1.5 petrol hybrid Honda Jazz Crosstar EX. So you can see it's in that premium sunlight white, and we're sitting on top of those 16-inch Berlina black alloy wheels. I will show you around each of the wheels as we move around the vehicle. So in that premium sunlight white pearlescent paint there. As we're around the back of the car, we do see you've got your 4 rear parking sensors and a rear parking camera as well. Heading into the back of the Crosstar, we find plenty of room in the back areas here of the boot. Just a little storage unit, and we see you've got that 60/40 folding seats as well. Full LED rear lights. Onto your third alloy there for you. And as we head into the rear of the vehicle, you'll see that 3 colour tone fabric interior with your Isofix anchor points. Electric windows all round. Couple charger points there for the users in the back. Full keyless entry. And onto the door card here, you'll see the full electric windows, and your operation of the mirrors are there as well, including that electric fold. Jumping in, we find your eCVT gearbox there, your electronic brake with your brake hold, and your ECON Mode. Heading up, we see we do have the aircon unit all nice and working, and with those heated seats as well. 10-inch colour display, full colour navigation. We've got your full DAB FM radio, and we also have your smartphone connectivity. Heading onto the steering wheel here, we can see we've got your volume controls, your onboard computer controls there, voice activation, your auto headlights, auto wipers, and we've got your lane assist, cruise control, and your speed limiter there. Sitting on 6,399 miles. There we go guys. Parking sensors, traction control. And onto that last alloy down there for you. Round back to the front of the vehicle, we do see you have your front parking sensors as well. Well guys, if you like more information about this 1.5 Honda Jazz Crosstar EX, give us a call here in the showroom. One of the sales team will be more than happy to accommodate any questions you have. Hope you enjoy the rest of your day. Thanks for your time.